In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the Protect menu, a key feature for configuring safety settings and protecting your drone during operation. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to the Protect menu, located under the Advanced section of your software. In this menu, you can configure essential parameters to safeguard your drone. These include low voltage, critical voltage, low action, critical action, and GCS fail-safe settings. To calibrate the voltage, you can manually enter the measured voltage value to ensure accuracy. Next, scroll down to find the Return to Launch RTL option. Here, you can set the RTL altitude and landing speed for your drone. These settings determine how your drone behaves when returning to its launch point. That's it for the Protect menu. By configuring these parameters, you ensure your drone operates safely and efficiently.